Welcome to this quick tutorial. In it, I'm going to show you how to create Pinterest carousels using the new nifty Open All Product Views bookmarklet. So the first thing I'm going to do is to get ready to create a Pinterest carousel. Until I drop the first image, I won't get the option to create a carousel. So let's go ahead and start creating images. Initially, you only need to do this once. The first thing that you've got to do is to get the bookmarklet. And you do it by dragging it to your toolbar. Save it, and everything's now ready. So here's the product that I want to create a carousel for. So now I'm on the product page, and you see all these new tabs have opened up. Before I do anything with those product views, the first thing I'm going to do is, as it says here, a link with tracking code and ref ID has been generated and put on the clipboard. So the first thing to do is to paste that. Let's just bring that up into view, paste, and you'll see on the very end it's got today's date. Okay, that's dealt with that. So I'm now going to start dragging to my desktop each of the product views in turn. Now you're not seeing them go on my desktop, but I assure you they are. I'll stop there because a carousel only allows 5 images. So these are the ones that I won't be using. So round to Pinterest, let's drag the first image. And there it is. And now we get the chance to create the carousel. Second image. Third image. Fourth image. And the last image. That's it. So I now just back round to the product page and quickly fill in the other fields for the carousel. Make sure I put it in the right board. And publish it. And that's it. So now you've seen how quick and easy it is to get all the product views so that you can create a carousel on Pinterest. You might find other uses for those product views. Love to hear in the comments below what you've done with the product views. Thanks for watching. Bye.